here the first time, I had no idea what we were doing. I had that we could do a rocket, but I felt like it's going to be a flop. But in the end, we had the necessary steps we needed to make a rocket. And with that, me and my friends discussed everything to make a perfect rocket. And in the end, what mattered was not the chaos, but the time we took, the amount of names we went through, and the creativity we had. That was the important part. Plus, I had a lot of fun during this experience. And I would want to go over it one more time because it's way too good for me.